Let's figure it out. What is a mainnet? It's a short form from main network. All actions within such a network are irreversible and recorded on the blockchain. Any smart contract, transfer, or trade has its own value and consequences. An important clarification: a mainnet only becomes truly decentralized, functional, and autonomous when external validators are able to join it. And here it's worth noting the difference between a mainnet and a testnet. A testnet is a kind of draft for an existing or future project. This is where new protocols and features are developed and tested. In a testnet, nothing is recorded on the public ledger, and the tokens have no real value, which ensures the safety of the actions being tested. When a project is ready for real-world use, it transitions to its final version, the mainnet. However, with the launch of the mainnet, the test networks do not stop functioning. This can be compared to classic software development. There are always three environments: development, testing, and production. It works similarly here. There are devnets, a kind of first stage, networks where all functionality is created and refined. There are testnets. For public blockchains, there can be either private or open, networks where this functionality is tested before it is pushed to production. And of course, there are mainnets, the main networks analogous to production versions of any application or other product. The launch of a mainnet is a landmark event for blockchain projects, as it characterizes the network's independence. Initially in Cellframe, the network ran only on our nodes for a long time, but real transactions were already happening on it. The token had value and the bridge was operational. In 2022, we launched our main network, Backbone, within the Cellframe ecosystem, and it became a full-fledged mainnet on July 12, 2023. On that day, we opened access to the network for external validators. We also have public test networks. They are called Raiden and Riemann. In Raiden, first of all, we test functionality for the backbone. In Riemann, we test functionality for KelVPN. These are public testnets. We also have two devnets, Sub-Zero and Melina. There, we research and develop new functionality. For example, the hard work mechanism that we need for allocating second-layer shards is being tested there. Interesting, right? Subscribe to our channel. Here we explain concepts from the crypto world in simple terms and show how we implement them in Cellframe.